In a world powered by technology, how we use it matters more than ever. Every click, every search, every stored file consumes energy. But what if we could make it cleaner, greener, and more sustainable? Let's begin. Green computing and sustainable energy are related concepts focused on reducing the environmental impact of technology. Here's a simple breakdown. Green computing. Green computing refers to the environmentally responsible use of computers and IT resources. It includes designing energy efficient hardware and systems, reducing e-wastage through recycling and proper disposal, using virtualization to reduce physical server needs, promoting power saving features like sleep mode or low power CPUs. Sustainable information technology. Sustainable information technology is a broader concept that includes green computing but also looks at the entire life cycle of information technology system uh, from design, manufacturing, usage to disposal, with the goal of minimizing negative environmental, social, and economic impacts. It focuses on sustainable sourcing of materials, ethical labor, and manufacturing particles, reducing carbon footprint across the IT supply chain, implementation policies for long-term environmental responsibility in IT strategy. In short, green computing is mainly about making IT operations more eco friendly, while sustainable IT offers a more holistic approach that integrates environmental and social sustainability into the entire information technology ecosystem. Advantages 1. Energy efficiency reduces electricity consumption through energy efficient hardware and software solutions. 2. Environmental benefits lower carbon emissions and reduce e-waste, contributing to a healthier environment. 3. Energy savings discarded energy bills and reduced operational costs over time. Enhance corporate image. Companies adopting green information technology are seen as socially responsible and environmentally aware. If regulatory compliance helps organizations company comply with environmental laws and sustainability regulations. 6. Innovation and long-term viability encourages the development of new efficient technologies and future-proof systems. Disadvantages number 1. High initial cost. Green hardware and infrastructure can be most expensive to purchase and implement. Second, compatibility issues. Legacy systems may not be compatible with newer green technologies. 3. Limited availability. Sustainable alternatives may not always be readily available or sustainable suitable for all needs. Fourth, training and awareness requires educating staff and users on sustainable practices and technologies. Here, five, performance trade-off. Some game systems might initially offer lower performance compared to traditional counterparts. Conclusion: green computing and sustainable information technology represent a crucial shift towards environmentally responsible technology uses. By adopting energy efficient practices, minimizing electronic waste, and promoting sustainability, organizations and individuals can significantly reduce their ecological footprint. While the transition may involve upfront cost and challenges, the long term benefits, such as cost savings, regulatory compliance, and a positive environmental impact, um, make it a worthwhile investment. Embedding greenhouse computing is not only a smart technological choice but also a necessary step towards a more sustainable future. Thanks for watching the video. If you learned something new from this video, please like it and subscribe the channel. Our next topic will be greenhouse effect.